Res Ipsa Loquitur is a fancy legal doctrine which basically says that if you suffered an injury for which you had no control over and did not contribute to, there is the possibility that the person who is in control of that situation may be responsible simply by virtue of the fact that this incident happened. Hi, come on in. I'm Gerry Oginski, a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney. Now, what does that really mean? I'll give you a perfect example. I represented a gentleman who went in to have surgery on his wrist, and he came out with a burn to his shoulder, a significant burn. And we argued in our complaint and in our bill of particulars that the defense, the doctor, and the hospital involved was responsible by virtue of the fact of res ipsa loquitur, that this burn would not have occurred except for the fact that somebody was negligent and the patient, being under anesthesia, had absolutely no control whatsoever in causing or contributing to this incident. So the only people that had the opportunity to participate in the surgical procedure, they are the only ones who were involved in the causing or creating this particular injury. And in that instance, we will not be required to bring in a medical expert to show and explain why you developed this particular type of injury, because it's common sense. You walk in, you have surgery on your wrist, you should not come out with a burn to your shoulder. So that's when we use res ipsa loquitur. That doctrine or that theory does not apply in instances where you are awake and where you may have contributed or participated to the happening of the accident. And that's it for today's video about what is res ipsa loquitur. It's a fancy legal term that means the thing speaks for itself. If you found this information helpful, what I want you to do is two things. I want you to press that button below that says like if you're watching this on Facebook or YouTube, and I want you to leave comments below. I can answer those comments in the comment box. And if you have legal questions, what I really want you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions if the problem happened here in the state of New York. And this is what I do every single day. I answer your legal questions, and I'd be happy to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Gerry Oginski here in New York. Thanks so much for watching.